There are people who think being prepared for emergencies is sickness. Oh, you're one of those crazy people that can go outside. Temperature minus 25, wind chill minus 35. A month ago, there was a power outage, and the temperature was 4 degrees in this house. MSR wind burner is radiant heat. This quartz tube is radiant heat. This is kerosene. This is a ceramic heater. So a month ago, the power went out, the temperature dropped to 4 degrees inside this house. In the house. So this morning, the forecast was a blizzard with 90-kilometer-per-hour wind. The hardware store opened at 7. So I grabbed my Burley Travoy bike trailer, I pull it. I walked to the store and I got 10 liters of kerosene. Plus a third heater. So there's no gas burning here. This is electric. But if the electric goes out, this will certainly keep me warm. And I'm just testing it. It's 10 years old. It's surprisingly warm. And it's not cheap though. $42 for 10 liters. $4.20 per liter of kerosene. But we don't have that many days that go really extreme cold like this. Now, maybe you think, well, I'm running gas, I should be fine. No. It won't run without power. A furnace won't operate without a fan. It's built to shut off. So, let's say we had a power outage right now. Would I be the only one with heat?